we're back again here with Henrik.
Smile? I'm always smiling.
Who's always a very busy person. And I'm not going to say it in Marshallese, but it is, tell me again the name in Marshallese.
Aelon in Majel.
Aelon in
Majel.
Majel.
I hope I pronounced it right.
Which is pretty much Canoes of the Marshall Islands.
Yeah.
So we're just going to have a quick tour of the facility, and then we're going to fire some questions at Henrik, and he's going to tell us all about what they're doing here, because they're doing marvellous things.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of future episodes.
While sailing around the Pacific, we've noticed a rich history of traditional sailing craft. The most popular are the smaller outrigger types, also known as proas. They have easily driven hulls with power provided via paddles or a simple crab claw sail. When we were anchored off Anaco in the Marshall Islands, we had a beautiful, larger traditional canoe anchored next to us. When we posted about this on our social media feeds, we got a message from Henrik, who was visiting the Marshall Islands and involved in a boat building workshop. We arranged to go and speak with him.
It's a school for traditional canoe building. And we're doing a boat building canoe building workshop here with a selected group of Marshallese people. It's a 3-month course, and we're looking to go out sailing soon.
I'm Rob Denny. I designed the other boat we're building, which is a Harryproa, and I'm from Australia, from the Gold Coast. I'm up here doing the same as Henrik.
Fabulous. How did you get involved then, Rob, originally?
Henrik came out here, paid for by GIZ, a rather wonderful German aid dispenser.
Yeah.
And he was one of the group of 6 guys that came out here and spent 6 months figuring out what was required, and they made a list of what they wanted. I was sent the list and designed a boat to match it. The whole object of what we're doing is to come up with an alternative means of transport for the people in the outer islands who at present use huge amounts of petrol for their outboard powered boats. It's very expensive to buy here, and then they've got to ship it, it's even more expensive. There's no one gets trained on how to fix the motors, so they break down. With these boats, we hope to give the locals a means of sailing so that they can sail to go fishing, they can sail to bring their stuff down here from the other islands, and hopefully replace the petrol-powered boats. And what we're doing here is we're not teaching these guys, well, we are teaching them how to build boats, but primarily what we're doing is teaching them how to teach other people to build boats. And the plan is that when they have finished here, they go back to their villages and sort out a crew and build their own boats. And all going well, it spreads all through the Pacific, and outboard motors are no more.
There had been some recent structural work completed at Wharram to support the canoe building, with a large concrete ramp and big workshop added to the seawall side of the building. This had opened a few weeks previously, and Alison Callan, the director of Wharram, gave a short speech at its opening ceremony.
So I guess as long as we're talking about exciting alternative for this country, I think we'll make it happen. This is a big task to come up with design that will not only help the Marshall Islands, but will help the Pacific Islands with the designs, and of course with the documentation that will turn into some kind of textbook or curriculums. And so we're doing a very big thing now. It's no longer a dream. Anyhow, I just want to thank each and every one of you. As long as this rock is above water, you are welcome here.
The traditional canoes are beautifully constructed but require a lot of upkeep. The aim of this course was to provide some new designs that would be easier to build and maintain. The new craft have an expected lifetime of at least 15 years and make use of readily sourced materials. Sheets of marine ply, waterproofed with resin-infused fiberglass mat and joined with epoxies.
The wood broke, yeah? Now if we put fiberglass on there as well, you saw how strong the fiberglass was the other day, then it's very, very strong.
As part of the course, 2 canoes were being constructed. The designs were intended to demonstrate more modern construction techniques and apply them to seagoing vessels that could carry more load than a traditional outrigger canoe. The hope is that eventually a range of sailing craft will replace or supplement the motorised outer island freighter routes. We asked Henrik about the chosen designs.
Very box-shaped Harryproa, and this one is a mixture of a traditional Marshallese canoe and a Catamaran.
Right.
So it will look a little bit like a Wharram Tiki 21. They both get a crab claw sail, traditional sail.
Henrik also explained some of the unique hull design elements of the traditional proa canoes.
This one is only suspension. These hulls can move independently from each other. So this one is doing nothing, it's not lifting.
Yeah.
And these 2 hulls can be in different wave systems and act independently from each other. And all these systems use a shock absorber.
Sometimes it's better and more fun to show how the design translates to practical use. So after bolting our GoPro to the main hull, Henrik and Rob were off. In a 15-knot breeze, they had plenty of opportunity to lift a hull and show the suspension arrangement of the AMA hull. The Pacific Proa canoes are double-ended and sailed so that the AMA or float is kept to windward. To reverse direction, the foot of the sail is shunted from one side of the main hull to the other when tacking, effectively reversing the direction of the craft. The AMA provides ballast, and even this relatively small craft can easily carry at least 100 kilos of COPRA or similar produce. The more fun alternative is to keep it lightly loaded and just to go as fast as possible. The Pacific Proa has an amazing turn of speed and is one of the fastest craft for their size in the world. The catamaran design that Henrik developed in conjunction with his students had some European design elements greatly influenced by one of the more well-known advocates of the Pacific canoes, James Wharram. The Wharram designs are very successful ocean-going craft, greatly influenced by Proa designs and range in size from 21 feet all the way up to over 60. One of the big advantages a catamaran can provide is that it is able to carry more load for a given length than a canoe, as it has more volume in each hull. The high-sided hulls and secure central platform provide some protection from the elements, and the more modern fixed rudders and A-frame mast means the craft has a dedicated fore and aft hull. The sail is crab-clawed and easy to handle, as it is designed to be tacked in the Western sense rather than being shunted. In the 1500s and 1600s, early European explorers of the Pacific region took notes, sketches, and whole canoes back to Europe, where local boat builders, attracted by the minimalist nature and amazing speeds that Proas are capable of, tweaked and tinkered with the designs, and a European variation developed. The Harryproa design originates in Australia and is a hybrid of the Pacific and the European designs. It uses a long, thin hull and a shorter, fatter AMA hull to windward. The AMA is designed to provide buoyancy and stability rather than ballast in a traditional Pacific Proa. Like the Pacific designs, the sails and mast are positioned on the main hull and it is shunted to change direction. The advantage to the design is that it still sails very efficiently, but it is able to carry more load due to the additional storage in each hull. It is wonderful to see a resurgence in popularity for the proa and canoe construction in the Marshall Islands. There is a long tradition of ocean exploring in the region, with traditional, celestial and wave navigation still being passed down through families. As a visitor to the Marshall Islands, it's a real treat to be able to shout a cheerful "Yokway" to the crew of a fast-moving proa that is skillfully skimming the back of our anchored yacht. It is also refreshing to see the value being placed in cultivating and developing sustainable transport within and between the atolls of the Marshall Islands, which are ideally suited to take advantage of reliable trade winds over the course of most of the year. If you wish to find out a little bit more about Canoes of the Marshall Islands, please check the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave us a comment below. If you'd like to support our journey, please head over to our Ko-fi page and buy us a coffee. For real-time updates, please check our Facebook and Instagram pages.